rug is perfect for you if you want a big round rug for your floor or gaming chair. My main issue with a round ground mat is that it doesn't cowl adequate space. Therefore, GT Racing's big 47x39 ground mat caught my interest as I was looking for this big size mat. GT Racing is a gaming chair manufacturer well known for making cheap but reliable gaming gear. As such, I felt guaranteed that the mat would be of the high quality preferred GT Racing is well known for. I additionally preferred the measurement of the mat and its design. The quality of the mat is also good, as it provides a smooth and comfy kind of texture. It comes rolled up in a cardboard tube with a Velcro tie. I eliminated the tie and unrolled the mat. It lay clean and flat proper away. On clear inspection, the material is as appropriate as expected. Kudos to GT Racing for their steady quality. Compared to my other round ground mat, I love the more area of the GT Racing one. I additionally like the racing style stripe design. Now, let's check what we have at the next number. And here I tell you one thing, there are various kinds of gaming rugs, so depending on your preference you can choose any of them which I am going to share in this video. Number 2. Aerozy Gaming Mat. This is also one of the high quality, smooth, and comfy gaming rugs that you can place in your gaming room. If you cannot buy the GT Racing rectangular mat due to any reason, then you should purchase this one. This popular chair maker Aerozy makes rectangular flooring mats in 3 shade variants, so you can choose any of the colors depending on your choice or with a color matching your furniture. The red, green, and blue variations all measure 45.7 x 45.7. Under the Aerozy brand, you can be counted on the excellence of these mats. The Aerozy ground mat is like the red carpet to your throne. However, for your gaming/office chair, you will feel luxurious at your toes with the smooth fabric, but still be able to roll your chair effortlessly and freely. The velvety polyester protects your floor from your gaming/office chair wheels and dampens the noise of the wheels rolling on hard floors. With the Aerozy flooring mat, you can game with ease and in style. Now, let's see what we have at the next number. I hope you will like these shared gaming rugs. Number 3. GT Racing Sharks Floor Mat. This is also a super soft, durable, and easy to wash gaming rug that you can place anywhere in your gaming room. If you like cool animated film and animation sample design, esports swivel chair flooring mat, then this is the one extremely good flooring mat that you can use in your gaming room. That will be the perfect preference for everyday furnishings. So, if you decide on a round mat style, GT Racing has a few. Count on the equal best as my XL mat with a preference for placing designs. Both measure 39x39. This round mat facets teal accents towards a navy base and a 3D shark cartoon design. This 39x39 mat comes in smooth black with bullseye accents. Based on the color scheme, it appears like an ideal pairing with your gaming chair. This mat is specially designed for the office or gaming chairs, which provides effective scratch and mark protection for hard floors. This mat is ideal for vinyl, concrete, laminate, and hardwood floors. It also provides balance and comfort as its slip-resistant backside allows you to stand up straight and holds the ground mat firmly in place. The floor approves your chair casters to cross effortlessly whilst carrying out everyday duties, however has sufficient grip to keep managed rolling so the chair might not slide or fall over. Now, let's see what we have at the next number. Number 4. FLORDEX Octagon Mat. FLORDEX lacks the popularity of manufacturers like GT Racing and Aerozy. That's why you may not know this brand probably. But this is one of the high-quality gaming mats that one can use. Besides lack of promotions, these get appropriate reviews and sales on all online platforms. As well, the rate appears good. As you can see, they are not too costly, wasteful, or less costly. Low quality. FLORDEX floor mats come in a preference of neon red or deep blue. Both measure 38x39 and work on each solid flooring and carpets. This mat is best for defending flooring from gaming desk chairs at some point in gaming, streaming, and esports. Like GT Racing mats, they're water-resistant and machine-washable. Made out of polycarbonate, I assume they're additionally hard and durable, thus you can use them for a long time. Now, let's see what we have at our last number. Make sure to comment down your favorite gaming rug that you want to use in your gaming room. Number 5. Floorpan Mat. Floorpan used to be one of the authentic gaming chair mat specialists. They soon boasted a variety of exceptional round mats with amazing designs. These days, Floorpan solely has one mat on, providing for an insanely excessive price. For nearly 3 instances of the charge of a GT racing mat, you get a darkish 47.24 x 47.24 octagon with a super grip underside. It's hyped as water repellent, ultra durable, and machine washable. I've no doubt that the mat's excellent is simply as suitable, or even better than what GT racing offers. Even so, the insane rate makes it difficult to suggest this mat over others. That's why I'm placing this at the last number. Each Floorpan has a special appearance and is made of first-rate materials. The gamer and e-sport ground mat are in a range of colors, making it the ideal complement to any gaming chair. The Floorpan is a dimension of 100 today's video. I hope you will like all of these shared gaming rugs. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And also share your views about these gaming rugs. I will be back soon with another video. You can also comment on any of the products I should make a video on. Till that, go and check out these products, links for further details.